Unveiling the secrets of seasonal greenhouses. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines the beauty of nature with the ingenuity of human innovation. We're talking about seasonal greenhouses. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast, an environmental science student, or simply curious, understanding the concept of a seasonal greenhouse will broaden your knowledge and maybe inspire your green thumb. So, let's get started and uncover what makes seasonal greenhouses so special. Before we delve into the seasonal aspect, it's crucial to understand what a greenhouse is. A greenhouse is a structure, usually made of glass or plastic, that creates a controlled environment for plants to grow more efficiently. It traps heat from the sun, thereby creating a warmer, more humid environment which is ideal for plant growth. This unique capability allows for a wide variety of plants to be grown year-round, regardless of the external weather conditions. Now, let's talk about seasonality. Seasonality refers to the changes that occur in nature and our environment as the seasons change. This includes variations in temperature, rainfall, daylight, and even plant and animal behavior. Understanding seasonality is crucial for farmers, gardeners, and anyone involved in food production because it affects what and when they can plant, harvest, and sell. Combining the two concepts, a seasonal greenhouse is a greenhouse that is specifically designed and used in accordance with the changing seasons. Unlike traditional greenhouses that aim to maintain a consistent environment year-round, seasonal greenhouses adjust to the external climate. They might be used more intensively during colder months to protect plants from frost and less during warmer months, depending on the climate and the type of plants being grown. Benefits of seasonal greenhouses. Energy efficiency. By utilizing the natural changes in weather, seasonal greenhouses can reduce the need for artificial heating and cooling, making them more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Cost-effective. Lower energy consumption means reduced operating costs, making it a cost-effective solution for many farmers and gardeners. Plant health. Seasonal greenhouses can provide an optimal growing environment tailored to the needs of specific plants at different times of the year, potentially leading to healthier plants and higher yields. Seasonal greenhouses play a significant role in promoting sustainable agriculture practices. By maximizing the use of natural light and warmth, reducing energy consumption, and allowing for a diverse range of crops to be grown in varying climates, these structures support the principles of sustainability. They help in reducing the carbon footprint associated with food production and contribute to a more sustainable and resilient food system. We hope this exploration of seasonal greenhouses has shed some light on their importance and functionality. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or someone interested in the intersection of technology and nature, understanding the role of seasonal greenhouses in our ecosystem is fascinating and crucial. They are not just structures. They are a testament to human ingenuity in working alongside nature to produce food sustainably. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has been informative and inspiring.